Hey everyone, my name is Sharina Ansimitran from 107, and now I want to explain to you the three types of computer threats. Number one, virus. Number two, worms. And the last one is the Trojan horse. We proceed the virus. A computer virus is malicious software program designed to replicate, insert, and spread from one computer to another. It can attach the program or documentation, and when accepted, it can infect another files or the internal system. Virus often cause harm by corrupting or destroying data, normal computer system or operation, or even stealing sensitive information to essential to use antivirus software and practice safe compounding habits to reduce the risk or virus infection. Computer virus daw ay isang programa na nakakasira o kumakalat sa loob ng ating computer system. Ito ay maaaring magdulot ng mga iba't ibang issue tulad ng data loss system o iba pa, o pagiging daan para sa iba pang malware. Ang mga virus ay maaaring kumalat sa pamamagitan ng email attachment o infected na mga website o pag-share ng mga infected na files para mapanatili ang seguridad ng computer. Mahalaga ang regular na pag-update ng antivirus software at pag-iingat sa mga download at pag-open ng mga files mula sa di kilalang sources. Now, what is virus worms? The context of computer, a worm replicate to a type of malicious software that can replicate itself and spread independently to another computer over a network. Unlike the virus, worms don't need a host file to attach to, can operate on their own. They often option vulnerabilities in a system security to spread and can access a harm by consuming network, bandwidth slowly down system, or delivering play loss that may damage of computer or computer system. Yung virus worm daw is, ito yung naka-attach na sa mismong computer natin. Unlike sa virus na gumagamit pa ng files para mapasok yung ating privacy or yung security. Yung worms naman daw is, ito ay naka-attach na sa mismong computer natin or gumagapang na siya. Like words na worms nga, di ba? So, gumagapang yung virus worms natin. If nagpasok ka ng file sa computer, is damay na yun, ma-replicate na yun, is mapapasok na siya ng virus worms natin. Kaya, mas mabuting mag-ingat na lang tayo. Dalawa yung pagkakaiba ng virus sa virus worms dahil yung virus is kailangan ng files para mapasok yung ating computer system, and the worms naman is no need na siya dahil naka-attach na siya sa mismong computer natin or dun na siya sa loob at gumagapang na siya para makuha yung information at madali yung mga files na mahalaga sa atin. Yes, what is a Trojan horse? A Trojan horse is a type of malicious software that disguises itself as something legitimate or begging but actual context harmful code. Once installed on a computer or device, it can perform virus malicious action without the user acknowledge such as stealing data, damage files, and providing an access on the system. Ang Trojan horse daw is, ito yung ibig sabihin na nagbabalat kayo lamang po siya na akala natin is legit siya na files or website pero hindi pala. Example, wala kang Play Store sa cellphone mo, tas nag-search ka sa Google or Chrome ng Mobile Legend, download, etc. Ganon. Tas may lumabas sa website mo na free download. Tas hindi mo alam, yung download mo pala is isang Trojan horse na nagbabalat kayo lamang siya na isang website. Then pag na-download mo yun is, papasok niya na. So, hindi mo alam yung system mo is, meron na siyang virus or na na-finalize na yung mga privacy mo, yung mga information mo, yung mga files mo sa loob ng computer. Yung Trojan horse daw, ito yung masasabi mong madaya or taksil kasi akala mo legit na file siya na magiging okay or makaka-download ka nga ng files o ng website pero ang kapalit nun is yung na-download mo pala is isang virus or isang Trojan horse. Ito yung nag-duplicate sa mga ibang application na nagbabalat kayo nga lamang po siya.
The virus occurs when the software is run on a computer. A worm is a self-replicating program that's harmful to network. A worm uses the network to duplicate its code to the host on the network, often without any user intervention. Trojan horse technical is a worm is do not need to be attached to another software. Instead, a Trojan threat is hiding in software that appears to do what things and yet behind the scenes in those other.
Hi guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-activate ng computer firewall. Unahin muna natin, ano ang firewall? A firewall is a security device that can help protect your internet network by filtering unknown traffic and blocking outsiders from gaining access to your private data. Mag-proceed tayo sa sa steps kung paano i-activate. Punta kayo dito sa Windows or dito sa may bintanang to. Search nyo, search nyo. Computer, hindi. Ano yan? Control panel. Yan. Tapos, pindutin nyo tong System and Security. Then, Windows Defender Firewall. Click. And, ito pala, turn on Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Ayun na. Pag naka-green na yan, okay na yan. Pero pag naka-red yan, pwede nyo siya i-turn on kasi tsaka kailangan nyo din i-turn on yan kasi nagpo-protect na din siya ng privacy mo or hindi ka kagad ma-hack kasi kailangan mo na nila i-bypass yung firewall. Then, pagtapos mo na i-turn on yan, press mo na lang yung okay, then, okay na. Tapos na. Then, thank you guys.
And that's all the presentation by Sharina Hansimetlan and Joyan Malisay. Thank you for watching and listening.